Pretty simple, right? Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brendo, and I teach beginners how to play piano confidently for their church. Today, we're back with another tutorial, and today we're learning So Be It by Elevation Worship. Let's get straight into it. So this song is in the key of B flat minor, B flat minor. So here we go. Here's a B flat minor scale. All right, so the song starts off with this A flat octave note, and what you're gonna do in your left hand is gonna be pretty simple because you're gonna stay on this note for the majority of the first verse, actually. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. Right hand is just F sharp, F, and then E flat. Okay, one more time. What you can do with your left hand is to kind of mimic that sound that's in the actual track. What if I told you the reason you can't play what you hear in your head has nothing to do with talent, but has everything to do with these 12 foundational building blocks you were never taught on piano? You know the basics, but when it's time to lead worship, your confidence disappears. It's not because you didn't practice, it's because you were never taught to think of piano this way. Imagine sitting down, playing smoothly, and supporting worship without fear or second guessing. Well, I created a step-by-step piano course that actually works. Beginners are playing for worship teams based on what I teach in these 12 videos. You'll learn to actually play in worship settings, even if you've never played in church before. This is built for real worship moments, not piano recitals. Click the link to finally start playing piano confident. So that first verse after the introduction, same thing. When the king speaks a word, it cannot be overturned. It's as good as done, right? Keep going. Here's when it changes. All right, one more time. All right, and I'll do it real speed. Okay, so that's when they say, sovereign and supreme, every word he speaks is holy, bam. All right. So what I'm doing in my right hand is that line starts on the E flat, then D flat, C, A flat, B flat. When I hit this B flat, I also hit this in my left hand. So this is just going to be perfect fifths. Essentially, it's an F sharp and a C sharp together, right? So, and then I do another line, starting from the D flat this time. So again, D flat, C, B flat, G sharp, and then land on the F. When I land on the F, my left hand is doing perfect fifths, C sharp, and G sharp. So one more time. Is holy, bam. Land on this G sharp major chord right here. All right, moving on. All right, so verse 2, when you come in on the second verse, you can actually do chorded melodies here. So instead of doing that same line with the octaves, you can actually hit a chord. So, right? There you go. So this chord right here is just going to be a F sharp major chord, but of course it is being inverted. If it was in its simplest form, it would look like this. But in order to get that melody, we have to get the F sharp on the highest note, right? So then we have our C sharp major chord. Same story with the inversion. And then the last one is just a G sharp major, right? So And then so here we go. Here's our chorus. Pretty simple, right? It just takes time to get the coordination. So I'll show you one more time. That melody with your right hand is. And one more time. Okay, for the so be it God, I'm doing octaves, both hands, pinky thumb, F sharp, F, C sharp. Now my right hand's gonna go down to C, my left hand's gonna go down to G sharp. So again. So be it God, 2, 3, here's a bridge. So let's talk about the bridge. The bridge starts off with I like to play as an E flat minor 7 chord. You can do a regular E flat minor, right? But I like to play as a minor 7 chord. Da, 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 da. This is just a regular B flat minor. C sharp major, G sharp major. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. So yeah, you do that all throughout the end until they get to the he's alive part. So he's alive, he's alive, he's alive. Same thing. When you get to this last chord, the last bridge, same thing. Right? Then you move on to the second bridge. Now this time around, the chords actually change just slightly. So the first chord now, instead of starting on this E flat minor 7 chord, you're gonna start on this G sharp major chord. So G sharp. That's the only thing different about the second bridge is that you're starting on this chord and then you're going to the E flat minor chord, then the B flat, and then landing again on the G sharp. And of course we do have an outro, or I would say it's like a, what do you call it? Like a reprise, right? So the reprise, when Tiffany Hudson says like a thief in the night. So when you go back to the like a thief in the night, you're back to that minor, that E flat minor chord. All right, and that's the end of the song. Thank you again for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you were able to learn from this tutorial, and also share it with somebody that you know also wants to learn how to play piano confidently for their church. See you guys in the next one.